Well, hello from our house. We are about to leave.
Yeah.
Hello, hi, and
welcome.
We are Echo Travel Adventures. We are here in Omaha, Nebraska. We like to travel, and today we are going downtown.
Old Market.
Yes, we are going axe throwing. Echo is getting
Echo's
dinner.
Food.
We are going downtown to go axe throwing because you guys don't know this, but we had met some people from Albuquerque, and we decided to meet up and go axe throwing downtown. So we're going to.
I think it's their first time, maybe.
Yeah, first time they've ever.
They won't be on camera.
No.
It's just gonna be us.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future they might let us.
There's also one special thing that Amber doesn't know, because we're going to dinner as well, and they don't serve food at this place like the other place does.
I think they just have drinks.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, and maybe some bar. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. But this other place that we're going to, it's called the Monster Club. That's all I'm going to say. I already know she's going to Google it. But this place, according to the pictures, looks amazing. We're really excited about. I'm really excited about going. I'm more excited about going there than I am going to axe throwing. And I really like axe throwing.
Ooh.
So I know.
I'm excited for this place. It looks super cool.
Yeah.
Like it looks digital from what I see, and it looks more spacious. But I don't know.
Yeah.
I hope it's kind of like the one in Florida, maybe.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll find out. But guys, don't. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
Here's some merch that they have. Look how cool they have socks. Brian, they have socks.
You and your damn socks.
Look at, they have socks. And they have silverware.
Take out trash. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah. Alright.
And then they have gremlin stuff.
Right now?
Ooh, look,
Yeah.
gremlins.
I'm gonna do it now. So, Tyson,
they
if you
have
want to
tiki
help, bro, you
cups and
can.
stuff, that's cool.
Just shut that door, and
Whoa, those are cool.
if they come in here, we
They
just
have-
can't come all the way.
What?
Pennywise.
Oh yeah. How much is that?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah. I really recommend it up there.
Well, I just realized. We just got home, guys.
It's like midnight.
It is. We always look like we're matching, and it's never coordinated that way.
I was wearing this first.
Sure. Anyway, that place was amazing.
It was amazing. And then because we were hanging out with our friends, I think we forgot to show you guys some stuff, so it's probably a short video.
Yeah. Monsters Club. Holy crap. That place was bomb diggity. Now, the atmosphere,
it was
top notch.
Amazing.
Top notch.
So freaking cool.
Yeah. The food.
Yeah. So, okay, let me just say, for the brisket sandwich that I got, it was like, how was it cut?
It was sliced.
Yeah, it was sliced. I thought it was be shredded. I didn't know. So it was like pretty thick. There's like 4 slabs on a bun. I was like, yeah, I can't eat this.
Yeah. One thing that our friend and myself, we got the same thing. We said that the brisket was very dry, but the pork was really good, which is true. The barbecue sauce wasn't horrible. It was really good.
It was decent, yeah.
Yeah, and the mac and cheese was pretty good too.
I just wish there was like salads.
Yeah.
Something else. Like it was a short menu, I think, but maybe they are trying something new. I don't know.
Our friends had gone there before, and when they went there, they said it was a different part of the menu. So I don't know, maybe they changed it to make it more simple for the chef. I don't know. Regardless of the atmosphere, guys, holy cow.
It was cool. We tried to show you guys as much as we could.
As Amber was saying, we were trying to get the atmosphere. We found out that they have a record store.
Above.
Yeah, and they have a little bar there. That looks really cool too. It adds to that atmosphere, that ambiance.
I think did you get it up there?
Yeah,
okay.
I did.
The records were not badly priced.
No.
They had some really cool merch too, like the shirts and stuff. That's a cool place to check out, like if you're waiting for your food or you just have extra time.
And that's what they recommend that too. Go upstairs.
Yeah. Food came up pretty fast. Yeah. We were up there.
So the other part that we wanted to kind of mention. Oh my God, the caricature is right there.
Yeah, that's what I said over here.
Flying Timbers. Go there. I mean, seriously.
Oh, it's so freaking cool. Like, your coach stays with you and helps you along the way, so you don't feel like you're left out. No. We got, like, the first one, so we were kind of against the wall, which kind of, we were just a little bit squished, even for 4 adults.
Yeah, it was kind of claustrophobic.
But we did so many games within 2 hours.
Yeah.
They had Connect 4, Zombies, Ducks, the regular game.
Tic-Tac-Toe.
Tic-Tac-Toe.
I mean,
we didn't do that one.
Yeah, we did. We did it. We played 2 games.
Oh, okay, that's right.
So we had 4 people. So for us, we were alternating. I hope the quality is good.
If you can't hear us, sorry, we just found out that something was echoey too, so.
We, Tic-Tac-Toe and Connect 4 was a 2-person game. So what we did was we alternated because we had 4 people. So we were us and them basically, which was still a lot of fun. It was enjoyable.
Still, for 4 adults, you can play quite a bit of games.
Yeah, and so with a Coke, a Dr. Pepper, military discount.
And they're canned Coke, canned Dr. Pepper. They were $1 each.
Yeah.
And then for 2 hours, because they open at 5. Yeah. So we did 5 to 7.
$67 is what we paid with military discount.
Yeah, with military, so you can ask for military there.
And then we also gave a 20% tip. But hey, our coach was really amazing. Found out because he was talking a lot.
All 3 of you military men were talking the whole time. It was cool though.
Yeah, he had just gotten out of the Marines, so it was really cool. I think he just needed that camaraderie because he was missing it, and I think we provided that. Our friend and myself being prime military. But guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that bell notification.
Yeah.
Because we are still trying to get to 1,000 and only you can help us out get to there.
Thanks, Bam.
We want to thank you guys so much for all your support and help and love and everything else.
Yes.
And we will definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.